All right, today we're going to work on a problem from lesson 2, and it has to do with plugging in values, x values, into an equation where x is in the exponent, and then seeing what it spits out for our y values. So really what we're going to do is find the values for a, b, c, and d in this table here. To find the value for a, that's the same thing as asking ourselves, what does y equal when x is -2 in this table? So that means we're just going to take -2 here and plug it in for our little x. When we do that, we get that y is equal to 3/4 times 4, and then instead of to the x power, we're putting -2 there, so that gives us to the -2 power. Now our exponent rules tell us something. Whenever we have something raised to the negative power, that's the same thing as rewriting it in the denominator with a 1 on the top. So let's see what that means, or looks like. The 3/4 stays the same, but we know now with our exponent rules that 4 to the -2 is the same as 1 over 4 to the +2. You can rewrite it in the denominator and then make the exponent positive. Now we can multiply straight across. This is equal to, let's write our fractions on the same levels. And it looks like we're going to get that it is equal to 3 times 1 on the top is 3. And on the bottom we have 4 times 4 squared, which is equal to 4 to the third. 4 to the third power, 4 times 4 times 4 gives us, I believe, 16 times 4 is 64, so this would be 3 over 64. This fraction here, my friends, is our answer for A. So this tells us what A equals in this chart. Let's do the next example, and then I'll let you try the following two. Now we're going to take 0 and plug it in to our x value here to get the answer for B. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to rewrite our equation. Y equals 3/4 times 4. Now instead of writing to the x, I know that I have to put a 0 there. I like to put parentheses around that, to the 0 power. Now, another great exponent rule that makes our life a lot easier here is that whenever we raise something to the 0 power, we know that it's equal just to 1. It doesn't matter. This could have been 4 or 4,000 or 99. Whenever you raise a number to the 0 power, it just gives you 1. So y is equal to 3/4 times 1, or 3/4. That means that we know that our B is equal to 3/4. And I suppose I should write here that A, let's keep our color code going, A is equal to 3/64 is what we got there. Now I want you to try plugging in 2 for x and plugging in 4 for x to see what you come up with. Alright, that's it for today.